Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to install Norton 360 in Windows 10. If you'd like to learn more about Norton 360, you can watch this video at the end of this tutorial. I purchased Norton 360 online, so I got this email message with the download link and the product key. But if you purchased a physical product, you'll get a card with the download link and the product key. If this is the first time you're using Norton 360, it's best to create an online account to better manage your subscription. So let me go back to my email message, and down below you'll find the product key. Let me scroll down in the email, and then you click on this link to activate your subscription, and then you enter the product key and then follow the instructions to create your Norton account. In my case, I already have an account, so I'll just sign in. And then on the home page, you can click this download button. If you want to install it on another computer, click on this send download link button and then follow the instructions. In my case, I'm installing it on this computer, so I'll click on this one here which says agree and download. You'll then download the setup file. Then check your browser download section. I'm using Firefox here. And so I'll click on the downloaded file, and you'll see this dialog box. Click on yes, and then click install Norton 360. It will begin the installation process, and once completed, you'll see this confirmation. Then click on start setup. Then you can go ahead through these screens and complete the setup. But that's pretty much it. If you don't have Norton 360 and want to get it at a discounted price, you can check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.